Hello everybody, welcome to my Physics 2 online course. I'm Dr. Bergeler, I'm the instructor of this course. I want to give you a short introduction on how to work through this online course. This online course is organized on Canvas, that's the learning management system from Texas State. So if you go to your Canvas environment, you should be able to kind of click on courses and then have all the courses listed, and you find this course also listed there. When you click on it, it starts with the starting page of this online course, and in the beginning you have to make yourself familiar, and you can check out about this course. So it lists the topics, what are covered over the semester, and also what you need to get for this course. It's the textbook, also the online homework system, and due dates and things like this. Also, there's like a link where you can get help, or a forum, or grading and due dates, how that works. And I want to start with this link here, getting started. That's very important that you check this out, because right now everything is new for you, and it might be a little bit overwhelming with all these deadlines and things. But I hope with this getting started, how to work through this course, you will be ready to go and know exactly when to do what. So this is an asynchronous online course. That means you have a lot of freedom in this course when to do these things, but there are still deadlines so that you wouldn't fall behind, that all of a sudden towards the end of the semester you notice, oh, I haven't done so much about this. And that's why there's weekly deadlines which force you to stay on track, to submit your homework, to work through the contents every week. You can work ahead, not behind. Also, you don't have to come to the university. You can do it from anywhere where you want. You only need internet. So that's what you do in the beginning of the course. You check out about this course. Then you get the textbook. That's a free book. You can download it here. And it looks like this. So it's College Physics, and you get the PDF file. You can also order it as print, then it costs a little bit of money. If you don't need it printed, you have the PDF document, and here's the table of contents. It's a big book, it's 1,400 pages. It covers everything for the algebra-based physics. Part of it you have already done in Physics 1, and now we do the second half of this book, Physics 2. The lessons and chapters are not exactly the same, so the numbering for my lessons are not the same as the numberings in this book. But I'll let you know like what to read when, or when I refer to the book, I'll let you know exactly where you find this, what I'm referring to, even though my lessons have different numbers. So then important is you check out what's expected from you as an online student, because just in short, doing an online course is not that different from a normal face-to-face course, only that you have the freedom of when to do it and where, but you still have to do something. And going to the website is kind of like going to a virtual classroom. So you have to do it a couple of times a week. You log on, you work through this, you take your time to read all these topics. So let's start with the first lesson, and then every other lesson is organized in the same way. So the whole course is organized in modules. Each lesson has a module, and that's what we'll go to. So we click on lesson 15 on that module. So let's scroll up, and we go to modules, and this is the organization of the whole course. It's always the same way, always 5 items for each module. It starts with the content page. Then the next item in this module list is the assignment you have to upload, also a quiz you have to upload, and then the external link to the Mastering Physics homework. And then each lesson also has a discussion board for your questions, or when you want to help each other, you can put answers there as well. let's start with the first page. Every lesson starts with an overview of what you learn, and then once in a while I'll tell you like what to read in the textbook, like here. That's important that you do this, and usually I have the links already to the specific section. So if you click this here, and we can open this, and then I have only the pages where I told you what to read. So it says read section 16.2, that's here, and that would be the introduction of oscillation. So I don't want to repeat this on my own page because you can already read this here, and that's important content, so you need to read this. Then sometimes I have my own content because I thought, oh, I use different words than the book, or maybe more compact than the book. So then I deliver some content here, and every content I have referred to or I wrote myself, it's related to the homework. So when you work on the homework, you will see, oh yeah, that's explained here. So you should always be able to find the necessary information and explanations in my course. If not, please email me. I might have sometimes forgotten something because it's the first time I teach this course. So just email and say, hey, I don't find anything about this in order to solve that. And then I'll look into this and let you know. So don't be afraid that it's a long page. So if you scroll here, wow, that's a lot of stuff, but you have a whole week to work through this. It just requires some time. And then in the end, often you find more to do, forced oscillation from the textbook. And then here comes the quiz and the exploratory assignment, which are part of your grade. These links at the bottom are the same assignments as they are here. So you can always double check again, did I do everything? If you've done this quiz, the Mastering Physics homework, and then the exploratory assignment, then you have done everything what you need. You can also check in the syllabus. The syllabus has everything in writing, all content, all rules. So you should look at this too. General goals of this course and grades, how you calculate the grades, tests. So these tests are different than the quizzes. So these are bigger, they cover several lessons usually, and there are 3 during the semester. There's also the final, and then there's the homework on Mastering Physics, and then the exploratory assignments, and then the quizzes. So those are listed on all these are listed on the modules, and then when it's time for the final exam and tests, you will also find this on the Canvas website. The dates for the tests, so even though, yeah, you work when you want on the content, but the tests are fixed dates. So you have to do these tests and exams at exactly these dates. You have the whole day when you want to do it, but once you start, you have 80 minutes to finish the test. And exam is 2.5 hours. So when you're ready that day, you log on Canvas, and that's when you do the test. It's online. Here's the schedule, an overview of the whole content, what we cover in this course. Also double checking here, these are the deliverables. Every week you have to deliver 3 things. And their deadlines always Sunday night. So you can work even weeks ahead if you want to. Just don't work behind. So this is really hard deadlines, Sunday night. So don't wait till Sunday. Do it way ahead. Then also you have the chance to use the conference to ask questions, or also the discussion board if something is not clear. But if you notice this Sunday night, it's a little late to ask a question about that assignment. That was it. That's how the course is organized. Everything what you need you find on this Canvas website. I wish everyone a good semester.